Hello everyone, this is Jennifer Hernandez. This is Chemistry 1412-62-430 with Professor Cox. And this is my individual group project, and just individual project over organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, we studied the structure and properties of organic compounds in various forms, such as liquids, gases, and solids. Some of the functional groups in organic chemistry are hydroxyl, carbonyl, carboxyl, thiol, aldehyde, ester, amide, epoxide, acid halide, and my favorite are the amines. So basically, I want to talk a little bit about my favorite group, amines, which are composed of nitrogen plus carbon, and these amines they come in primary, secondary, and tertiary forms. So in our primary forms, there's only one carbon, as we see here. We have the nitrogen, two hydrogens connected to one carbon with 3 hydrogens. In secondary amines, we find our nitrogen connected to 2 carbon hydrogens. And in our tertiary, we find nitrogen connected to 3 carbon hydrogen. So a little bit more different structures. Here we have heptane to amine, and in this one we have 7 carbons. We start off by counting those, which makes it a haptene connected to our nitrogen hydrogen, and that's what makes it an amine. And this is our second example. We have 8 carbons, and we start counting them from this side towards that way. So we have an octo 3-ol, and then there is a phenyl and an 8 amino acid right here, which makes it an 8 amino 5-phenyl octo 3-ol. Now moving on to our organic reactions. These are some of the organic reactions to know. The first one is Grignard's reagent. Anything that has this reagent counts as an organic chemistry reaction to know. Wert's reaction, Corey-Hoynes structure, esterification and deesterification, alcohol condensation, Canizaro's reaction, Hoffman bromide synthesis, carbonylamine reaction, Raymer-Thaman reaction, and Birch reduction. My favorite is number 8, carbonylamine reaction, because it has to do with amines again. So I'm going to explain a little bit about carbonylamine reaction. It is the detection of primary amines. So this means that it is only for primary amines, not secondary and not tertiary. And it basically is the determination of primary amines. It's basically that anilide is heated with potassium hydroxide and chloroform. And if the primary amine is present, then cyanides are formed and you can smell the foam. And here we have an example of the reaction. And that is it for my organic chemistry project.